Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe the channel and press on the bell icon. In this channel you find different online certificate course videos, technical videos, software installation and much more. And today I am going to create a IoT project on biometric fingerprint attendance system using Node MCU OLED display R305 fingerprint sensor. And I will send this data to IoT website from where you can access the data when you upload your finger. So let's get started. So firstly we have to create a website. For that we have to go on the Google and type XAMPP. You have to click on the first link. And from you have to install your XAMPP software. For Windows, if you want for Windows, you have to click on this and simply install it. I have given the downloading link to the description. You can copy the link from there only. So once the installation is completed, you will find the XAMPP window like this, and then you have to simply close it. And this is the folder which contain all the information of the database. I have given this data link in the description. You can download from there. I have given my drive link and uploaded on that. From there you have to copy all the files and you have to go on the C drive. Here you find the XAMPP folder. You have to simply paste on there. As you see that I have pasted all the files. Then again you have to go on the XAMPP folder and you have to start here APAC and MySQL. Then you have to simply minimize this folder. And then you have to go on the C drive where you have placed all the files. Then you have to go on the install.php. You have to open this file with Notepad++ and edit your username and password. I am not going to show you edit the username and password because it is visible to all of you. So you have to edit by yourself. And then you have to go on the Google and type here localhost/biometric attendance/install.php. After you enter it, you see that here database created successfully, table user created successfully. Then you have to edit here index.php, and here you see this interface biometric attendance. Here you see that here user log, manage user. From there you can add the user for which you have to add the fingerprint. And I have zoomed the site so much so that you are able to see that type. And then when you click on the user log, add user, you have to here enter the user information to whom you want to add the fingerprint ID. Like I am going to add here Harshit. And below it you have to add the age, gender and serial number. So from here you have to enter the name, gender, serial number, date and the time like I have entered. So this is a circuit diagram. We need OLED display, R305 fingerprint sensor. Here you see that fingerprint sensor is connected to D5 and D6 pins. And here you see that SPA is connected to D2 and SCL is connected to D1, and the voltage source is connected to here. You see that this one. So you can see this is how I assembled the circuit diagram. And in this you see that this is 0.96 LED display. And this is R305 sensor. You can use any sensor. I have used R305 sensor. and it is interfaced with the same as shown in the circuit diagram. Now connect the USB port to the Node MCU. Then we have to, from here you upload our port. As you see that I have uploaded the port. Then let's moving towards the programming section of the Arduino. As here you see that the full code is I have already mentioned here. You can see that, and I have given the description link where you find all the code I am uploaded in my drive. From there you have to copy that code, and here you see that there are the three library sections. You have to only use this. You have to upload only these three library sections. Or by going on Sketch, you can simply install the library, like then include library, manage library, and window will open. From here you have to, like I'm going to I need GFX, SSDI 306 and fingerprint. So I have to search here. Firstly, fingerprint. For fingerprint, you have to install this one. Similarly, you can install this for GFX and SSD1306. And in the coding section, you will copy the similar code, and here you have to edit the username and your password. Like I have edited my username and password. If you are using the mobile hotspot, then you have to enter that username and that password. And in case you are using the website, then you have to here enter your IP address. For finding the IP address, you have to simply go on any browser, and here you have to type what is my ipaddress.com. From here you can simply get the IP address. You have to copy this IP address from here and simply paste here. So after you make you edit the program, you have to simply go on the tools, and you have to select your board Arduino name. Like I am using Node MCU, then I have to select Node MCU. Then you have to simply upload this code. You have to simply save this and upload this code. And once the code is uploaded, it start connected, and it shows your like you see that here your Wi-Fi is connected, hotspot is connected. So as I told earlier that you have to add the user. If you have not added user at that time, so you have to add that user, and here you have to click on add user. So as soon you add the user and scan your finger, here you see that here your name will start appearing here. Like I have mentioned my name Harshit, so it start appearing welcome Harshit. So my fingerprint is added in the database. If you want to add more fingers, you have to go back on that. You have to click on the add finger, and simply you can add some more fingers. And the limit is that you can add with one device up to 127 fingers. And once the data is uploaded, and when you scan your finger here, then it showed welcome Harshit, means and when second time you will scan your finger here, it will show goodbye Harshit, because I have assigned the time period from morning to evening, like 9 PM I have 9 AM to PM I have assigned the time, so it is showing like that. So this was all about the IoT project based on biometric fingerprint attendance system. So thank you for today, and if you have not subscribed my channel, you have to subscribe my channel and like and share the videos. Thank you.